Good morning, students. In our first part of chapter 8, we have read about the places of worship, holy books, and the places where they go to worship. This is the second part of chapter 8, and in this, we are going to read about the festivals, types of festivals, and festivals are occasions when we spend time with our family and friends, eat delicious food, and wear new clothes. We greet each other and even exchange gifts. There are three types of festivals: religious festivals, regional festivals, and national festivals. There are three types of festivals: religious, national, and regional festivals. Religious festival. Here are some examples of religious festival. Eid. Eid is the festival celebrated at the end of Ramadan. The holy month, Ramadan, the holy month of fasting. People meet their family and friends and wish Eid Mubarak at the end of the month. A special sweet cooked on this day is sevai. Second, Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. People decorate their houses with diyas or candles and worship Goddess Lakshmi. A variety of special dishes are cooked. People wear new clothes and some burst crackers too. People distribute sweets to their family members and friends. Third, Christmas. Who celebrates Christmas? Christians. Christians celebrate Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. On this day, people go to the church to pray and sing hymns. They also decorate the Christmas tree, sing carols, exchange gifts. Guru Purab is a festival of Sikh. Guru Purab is a festival that celebrates the birthday of the Sikh Gurus. People go to Gurdwaras and listen to Kirtan or hymns. They take out processions and eat from a common kitchen which is called langar. Can we pray to any god anywhere, or do we want to go to a special place to pray? Yes, we can pray to any god anywhere. We do not need to go to a special place to pray. For prayers, we should believe upon the supernatural power. We should believe upon the spiritual power. We should believe upon the God. That there is someone who will help me. If we have the belief, we can pray anywhere. Now the second type of festivals, national festivals. There are three types of national festival: Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. India gained freedom from the British rule on this day. We hoist the Indian national flag or the tricolor to celebrate the day. Second one, Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26 January. The Indian national flag or the tricolor is hoisted in all schools, colleges, and offices. There is a special parade held every year in our country to celebrate this day. Third, Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. He played a key role in helping India become a free and independent nation. Third type of festival is regional festivals. People in different areas of India celebrate different festivals. These include Onam, Pongal, Ganesh Chaturthi, Bihu, etc. India is united in 28 states, and in every state there is a different type of festival is celebrated. At last, I want to say that you should thank God for everything and be grateful for everything. You should not complain at all. The chapter is over. Thank you.